AI is blowing up and it's only going to get bigger. But here's the thing. While DeepSeek just proved the whole world you don't need crazy compute power to get solid results, AI's real hunger isn't for more GPUs, it's starving for data. So you see, raw computing power means nothing without fresh, high-quality data to train models, and that's where things get tricky. The problem isn't about getting more data, it's about getting better data. AI models need high-quality, unbiased training sets to improve, but those are expensive, hard to find, and often full of junk. That's why companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and Anthropic are experimenting with synthetic data, which is using AI to generate training sets for newer AI models. Well, it sounds smart, right? But here's the catch. If the AI is training on its own AI-generated data, tiny errors compound over time, leading to AI inbreeding. In simple terms, garbage in, garbage out. Now, if you look at the companies that own most of the data, meaning Google, OpenAI, and Meta, no surprise there, but there's a risk now, meaning the info we get from services like ChatGPT is heavily biased. So you might be thinking, oh Jamie, you're saying decentralization is always the answer, right? Well, yeah, you have seen AI crypto projects like Aether and Render decentralizing GPU power, while BitTensor is pushing decentralized AI inference. But there's still a missing piece. The data layer that even you can make money from it. So now let's talk about Pundi AI. They recently did a huge rebrand. I know some of you in the comments might be like, oh Jamie, it's an old coin, way too OG, it's never gonna come back. But here's the thing, this video is not asking you to buy their tokens. All that Pundi AI is doing is allowing the users to tag some pictures, and in return, you earn tokens for doing it. Simple as that. And guess what? When you learn about the rebrand, you might actually be surprised. So let's break it down. First, we'll go over the rebranding, then we'll dive into the ecosystem and tokenomics. So first of all, what is the Pundi AI data platform? It's really just straightforward. You log in and each day there are multiple tasks available. All you have to do is label what you see. For example, if you're shown a picture of a dog, you tag it as an animal and your score goes up. Once you finish tagging all the images in a task, you get rewarded in stable coins or tokens. Simple as that. So here's how the mechanism works. Companies provide raw data, which users help label and process. These datasets can include text classification, images, or other formats, depending on what companies need for training the AI models. In this setup, users act as data processor, helping train AI models while getting rewards directly from these companies. Unlike traditional centralized review systems like Skill AI, Pundi AI decentralizes validation by distributing it across multiple participants. This creates a reputation-based system where bad actors get flushed out and high-quality work is consistently rewarded. If this sounds interesting to you, great. This is just the beginning of the AI ecosystem. You see, AI data needs the right infrastructure to scale, but most blockchains weren't built for AI workloads. So here comes the second step for its ecosystem, Pundi AIFX, an Omni-layer that connects multiple blockchains and platforms, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Right now, AI is fragmented. Data is scattered across different chains, models run on separate platforms, and users want access from various networks. This is because traditional cross-chain solutions usually focus on simple transactions, not the complex data flows AI needs. So Pundi AIFX fixes this by acting as an omni-layer for AI data, so think of it more like a universal connector. It connects ecosystems like Base and Cosmos while keeping data decentralized and verifiable through IPFS. For anyone who didn't know, IPFS stands for Interplanetary File System. It's a way to store and share data across a decentralized network instead of relying on a single server. It ensures data is secure, tamper-proof, and always available no matter where it's stored. On-chain verification proofs ensure trust and transparency, while its EVM compatibility makes it easy to integrate with Ethereum-based smart contracts. At the core is Pundi AIFX, the execution layer, which efficiently processes AI workloads across multiple blockchains. So far, we have talked about the Pundi AI's data marketplace and its Omni-layer. Now, let's get into the third biggest product, the Pundi AI Fund, an AI agent launchpad. With Pundi Fund, developers can train and launch AI agents using datasets from Pundi AI. But what makes it different from other launchpads, right? So first feature is that it uses a bonding curve mechanism for token launches. This means instead of launching tokens with unpredictable price swings, the system gradually adjusts token prices based on supply and demand. This is basically the same idea as Pump.Fund and Virtual Protocol, so I'm sure my viewers of this channel have heard of. Next, there's a unique AI-powered market maker and an agent that handles liquidity. It automatically buys AI agent tokens from the open market, ensuring that there is always enough liquidity for trading. Now, here's where things get interesting. AI projects can bribe the Pundi AI holders with the agent tokens to secure votes. If they get enough votes, they receive funding from the AIMM agent, helping the project gain more exposure and liquidity. The community decides on funding allocations through weekly votes. Even if a project launches AI agent tokens on another platform, they can still join Pundi AI's ecosystem by bribing the Pundi AI holders for votes. This opens the doors for more AI projects to participate without being locked in a single launchpad. Finally, the fees collected by AIMM agent don't just disappear. They are distributed to the Pundi AI holders, creating a cycle where token holders benefit from the ecosystem's growth. So just now I mentioned the Pundi AI token, so let's break it down the tokenomics a little bit further. So the Pundi AI token is actually a redenomination of FX, meaning the team has been around for years, mostly specialized on decentralized payments. So the FX token launched in 2019 and has been through multiple market cycles. Right now, it has a fully diluted valuation of around $100 million, so it's definitely a battle-tested asset. In terms of supply, there are 1.9 billion FX tokens in total. But here's the key part. About 60% of those are locked up in validated nodes and community pool. That is a good sign because it shows long-term commitment from the community. And what's even better is that there's no VC involvement in this project nor token sale. As part of the rebrand, the token supply will be reduced by 100x. That means every 100 FX tokens will be converted into one Pundi AI tokens, but without any new tokens being minted. The total value stays the same, but the supply structure gets simplified. So what is Pundi AI used for? It acts as a bridge between AI data contributors and users. When AI data is sold, payments go into the Pundi AI salary pool, which is then distributed as rewards to contributors. Their earnings depend on how much the data is used. The more demand, the higher the rewards. The salary pool also doubles as a staking rewards pool for Pundi AI holders. AI data contributors only get paid after the data is reviewed and verified, ensuring quality and reliability in the ecosystem. So far, you heard so much about the benefits being in the Pundi AI ecosystem, but of course you know this channel. We're always gonna involve the risk and potential concerns that I have, so let's dive into the coins right now. As you know, the main platform runs on a tag-to-earn model, and that's actually the biggest risk in terms of the user mentality. Participants will always optimize for payouts instead of caring about how accurate the data provides. This means there is now a risk of users providing low-quality data, which in the end still be unusable for data providers. And historically speaking, most reward-based models don't last. Just look at the play-to-earn model in 2021 and tap-to-earn on Telegram in 2024. For Pundi AI, a truly decentralized AI model has to solve both the data reliability problem and the incentive structure. If either fails, the whole decentralized AI vision could still end up relying on centralized data sources. Another concern I have is actually for the Pundi X brand itself. You see, they have multiple different products under one brand. ranging from PayFi, blockchain networks, DeFi to SocialFi, and now AI. This constant expansion kind of creates a branding challenge, and the frequent rebranding can be confusing. Like, we have seen this happen with Polygon and MakerDAO. The rebrands cause user confusion, a loss of identity, and eventually users fade away. But on the flip side, some projects only took off after a pivot. Take Fascia Protocol for example. It wasn't until they rebranded to AI that they really gained traction. So will Pundi AI pull this off? We'll have to wait and see. But one thing's for sure, they have always been strong in crypto payments, and that's what originally set them apart. If they can successfully merge AI and payments, this could be a big move for them. Alright, so that's my analysis of this video for Pundi AIFX. Make sure to like the video, follow me on Twitter for more constant updates and analysis because I don't always have the time to make long videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.